Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor has sent me another free product, and this is a paid review. Let's get straight to it, shall we? This is a traveling cigar humidor by the company Flauno, F-L-A-U-N-O, travel cigar humidor case. Let's open up the package and see what's inside, shall we? So, upon opening it, the first thing I see is that the case is very nice. I don't know if it's leather. I would suspect, I don't know, I would say it's probably not leather, but leather-like. But very nice feel, cushy feel. Very nice zipper, very nice stitching on the outside here. Very classy looking. Very nice zipper all the way along. Let's open it up. You're looking at it for the first time right alongside of me. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice inside. You got your cedar wood. I love the way cedar smells. So here is what connects to that strap that I was messing with. I thought that. So what do we have inside? We have some instructions. So I read the instructions real quick, and I went ahead and filled the lighter up. But the instructions are very good. And just so you know, this is cedar wood seasoning pack inside. Right here. This is a seasoning pack. And you season it with this kit, and there's instructions on how to do that. And or you can wipe the cedar wood with a damp, clean sponge. So, but it does come with this packet to season your cedar wood. And again, oh, that smells so good. And the other thing I found out about on this is it is PU leather. I don't know what PU leather is, but it is how to maintain PU leather. Just a mild soap and water mix to clean it. So it is, they call it PU leather. I don't know what PU leather means. Just gonna say, but I'm thinking it's some sort of artificial leather. I'm thinking, but anyway. So then you have your lighter in here, which is really nice, very nice lighter. The lighter has several deals here. That is a V cutter. So it has a V lighter. You just push that out, and I'll show you exactly what to do with that here in a second. And it has, of course, the lighter. It has a flame adjust right here. This little guy right here is, you put that down, you stick that down in your cigar. It allows the draw of your cigar to be enhances your cigar draw. It has a cigar punch, which also enhances your cigar draw. Punches the end of your cigar, right there. And this one, I think that's about it on this. Oh no, it does have I was looking for the cigar holder. It has a cigar holder right here. So let's grab a cigar real quick. Show you what this does here. The V cutter. The V cutter. You just take that and you pop that up. And you take the end of your cigar that, well, you know what? Let's punch it first. You normally would not punch and V-cut, but since this is a demonstration, I'm going to show you both. You take your cigar punch and you put it on the end. And it takes a nice little chunk out of the end for you. But if you don't prefer that and you prefer a V-cut, which I do, you take it and you put it in the rounded end here. And you bump it right up tightly against there, and then you just take your V cutter, put it in your hand, and there you go. Look at that. How about that? Nice little V cut. And put that down there on the ground. The only thing that's left, light this puppy up. Toast them up. So now you can just take this and rest that right on your cigar lighter. And now take your right there, and you can see with some cigars here, You have room to put quite a few cigars in there and keep them secure. Zip them up. Put your carrying strap on, and you, my friend, are ready to go to the cigar bar.